get this makeup look very simple, and we're not going to use any concealer or foundation. Instead, this is the Hello Good Stuff tinted moisturizer from Essence. I believe it will work as a BB cream, and I'm in the shade 10 Light. So this is basically a day cream that can be used on our skin, which also has a tint, like a tinted moisturizer. So it's a lightweight moisturizer, or like a lightweight foundation. So we're not going to use any concealer, we'll just go ahead with this moisturizer. But I've already used a layer of my usual moisturizer and sunscreen, and I will go ahead with this tinted moisturizer, because usually what happens is whenever I use a BB cream, it leaves dry patches on my skin. That's why I never use BB cream. So even if I'm using a BB cream, I always go ahead with a layer of my usual moisturizer. So I've used, this is my shade, I guess this is the shade Light. So I've just applied one layer of it. I'll go ahead and use some more. About the hydration part, I'm not really sure, because it is not anything that makes our skin glowy or makes our skin look moisturized. It is quite drying on my face, to be very honest. Since it's the first time I am trying it out, I will be able to give you an honest review. So I'll just use it as a concealer as well. Just another layer under the eye. So as you can see, the coverage is quite fine. As they claim it, it's a very light coverage cream. It's almost similar to a BB cream, but BB creams usually have SPF in it. This doesn't have SPF, so that's why I used my SPF first, and above that I use this cream. So we can definitely build it up, the coverage. Would really suggest you all to go ahead with the moisturizer first and then use this cream, because this won't serve the purpose of a moisturizer as such. You will need a moisturizer if you want a good hydration, but it does give like a light coverage. Next, I am going to be using this setting powder. This is the Essence All About Matte Fixing Loose Powder. Use a little bit just in case the cream creases. So this is something I always use. It's a translucent setting powder. Even in my previous owner makeup tutorial I've used it, and so it doesn't provide you any coverage or anything as such. It's translucent color, but it will help you to set your face, without creasing and stuff. So next we will move on to the eyes. So this is the Essence My Little Copper eyeshadow palette. It got some dark browns, some shimmer and some matte as my transition shade. I'll use the shade, it's called the Pretty Rich. A nice pink peachy shade, and it's really buildable. Next we'll go ahead with the shade Princess Mood. It's like a dark brown shade. That's a really pretty brown shade, perfect for the crease. Like a nice copper shade. Next, we'll add in this shade. This is the Go Rich or Go Home. That is a very pretty shade, and for the price of this palette, it is so good. honestly, I just love how this shimmer looks. In this shade, this brown shade, an angular brush. The shades in this palette have swatched really well, and even on the eyes it has blended so well. Such beautiful shimmer and matte shades, and for the price that we are paying for this, I really think this is a really good investment. Now for the mascara, we have the Essence Lash Princess. If you're following some legit beauty bloggers like Tati and Juicy Jazz, you would know that this Lash Princess mascara is one of the best and cult favorite mascara for many people out there, and so inexpensive and so good in quality. So we'll just go ahead with the lashes. Do you see the difference between this lash and this lash? And can you believe this mascara costs only 16 or 17 riyal or dirhams? I am telling you, go get this. This is going to be your favorite mascara. I'm back after doing the lashes, and as you can see, I'm not going to say much about this mascara because you can see the difference. This is the first thing that I would recommend from everything from Essence. Go try their mascaras, it's really good. I used to use the fake mascara, the Essence one. Even that was really nice, but it's my first time using the Lash Princess. So for the brows, we're going ahead with the Essence Brow Gel. It's the Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. So this is something that I have repurchased. I think this is my third time purchasing, and I love this brow gel. It's perfect for everyday use. If you're a person who doesn't know how to do brows like me, then I think you should start by using a brow gel like this. So if you have been following me on Instagram, then you would have seen me use this brow gel multiple times in many videos. It's one of the products that I first purchased as a brow product that I wanted to get used to. So I didn't want to make like a big investment in brows until and unless I know that I can do brows. So this was the first thing that I purchased, followed by the Benefit gel, eyebrow gel, which I love. So I'm going to use Essence the blush. It's like a nice peach pink tone. This is the tone 60 Beaming, using a blush brush. So as you can see, this is a very nice everyday blush. It's a very light pink peach tone, which something that I really like. Next, for the highlighter, from the same eyeshadow palette, I'll use this shade. It's the Insta Rich shade. It's the same shade that I used on my brow bone. So from Essence, if one product I would say I am quite disappointed with, it would be their Stay 8 Hours Matte Liquid Lipstick. The shade is really nice. This is shade number 04 Matte About You. But the only thing that I regret about purchasing this is it's super drying on the lips. I don't have chapped lips or dry lips, but this product is the only product that has made my lips super dry. So I've used this same liquid lipstick in another shade, something like a pink shade, in my another video on Instagram, and I topped it with a gloss, so it was fine. But if you're not using any lip balm, or if you're not topping it with a liquid gloss, then you can experience super drying on your skin. But something that I like to use this as is as a blush. You can use this as a blush, but as a liquid lipstick I wouldn't really reach out to it. So this is only the one product that I would really suggest from Essence that you shouldn't try, especially if you're having like dry lips and so. But I tried this matte lipstick. It is the This Is Me lipstick in the shade 02 Happy. Very beautiful peach pink shade. So let's see. This is a really nice lipstick, something much better than the matte lipstick one. Another product that I wanted to mention from Essence that I really love is their Shine 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 lip gloss. This is a clear lip gloss. You can top it up with any lipstick. So this is how the final look has turned out. I really loved it. One thing I didn't enjoy is their matte lipstick, as I mentioned before, and I am not a huge fan of the tinted moisturizer. I feel it makes my skin quite dry. But if you are more on the oilier side, nowadays my skin is more on the dry side, so that's why I felt it is quite patchy for my skin. But if you have oily skin, then I believe you would really love this. If you have normal to dry skin, I would really suggest you use a moisturizer and then go ahead with it. Don't forget your sunscreen, because this doesn't have SPF. This is not a BB cream, it's just a tinted moisturizer. I love the eyeshadow. My Little Copper has beautiful shades and blends beautifully into the skin, the mattes and the shimmers especially, as you can see. And obviously the top one would be the Lash Princess mascara. So inexpensive and such a beautiful mascara. Another thing that I really love is the eyebrow gel, something that I've been using for almost a year now. The blush is pretty, not much of a blush purpose, but that might be the shade that I chose. It's 60 Beaming, and the loose powder was good. The clear gloss is something that I would really suggest you to get if you're a gloss person. And with that, I think we have come to an end to our first one brand tutorial. This is one of those brands that's super affordable, so good, and we get confused for the price that we're paying. Like, how can we get good products for this price? But Essence is something that is loved by a lot of legit beauty bloggers out there. So with that, we have come to an end with our first one brand tutorial, and I really hope you guys liked it. Please leave in your comments and feedbacks below. Like this video. I am super new to YouTube, and especially with makeup. So do let me know your feedbacks, and if you're there on Instagram, then don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle nazla.amben. And until next time, bye bye.